What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude. Recently, a lot of institutional investors, big participants of the Wall Street hedge fund managers, these whales of the financial world of the United States, they started to take money out of the US economy in forms of selling billions of dollars of T-bills, or basically treasuries. So let's talk about this problem right now. Do they know something is happening? What can be potentially happening? And well, things like this. Is there a cause for a panic? The reason for making this video is this graph you right now see on your screens, which shows that the outflows of the USD bills, it reached the historical record-breaking levels. There has not been a time in the past when so much money went out of the US treasuries. So, do US financial system, do Wall Street whales, do they know something is coming? Why would they do it? If you think about it, this might not be extremely scary. This is just a logical chain of events. We did experience a Fed pivot recently, which basically means that the interest rates started to go up. The very first and direct thing that they affect are the very same rates of, for example, treasuries or bank loans, financing, mortgages, things like this. So yeah, long story short, whenever the rate of the T-bills it goes down, the sole purpose of you buying those extremely safe investments, these treasuries, was to once again to collect the coupons. And when the coupon rate is so low, there is no reason for you to hold them anymore. Especially because the interest rates, the low interest rate environment, it promotes the economic activity. So theoretically, according to the Economics 101, whenever the interest rates go down, fixed income securities, such as for example super safe treasuries, they become less attractive, and investments on the stock market, this becomes more promising for once again these whales of Wall Street. And most likely, potentially, this is exactly the reason why they started selling so much. If I do put a tinfoil hat, just imagine me doing this, I don't have it right now, then yes, you might say that the Wall Street knows something. They're preparing for the biggest collapse of the US economy, which I'm not saying. This is also not entirely true. We've been speaking dozens, if not hundreds of times on this channel already about the unsustainably big US national debt, which skyrocketed last month just so much. So yes, these people, if just regular YouTubers, if they do see this as a problem, they must have seen this as a huge problem long time ago. So maybe also another reason why they started to sell with such record pace is just them trying to prepare themselves for the upcoming huge financial disturbing conditions. Who knows? They don't want to sell all of their positions. Obviously, this can crash the stock market because we are talking trillions of dollars under management what they own. So they just maybe locked in some profits, decided to play it safe and not chase some unnecessary returns, which otherwise could have been bringing them even more disaster if they decided to continue holding these investments. But as always, guys, I'm curious to hear what you think, so please let me know down below in the comments if this makes sense or not. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and well, see you on Wednesday.